All right, thank you for staying with us. Stay with us, Surendra Singh Lali. We have another breaking news coming in. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced 7.5 million US dollar worth of support of sampling and detection kits and vaccines to fight cervical cancer as part of India's vision of One Earth, One Health. Let's listen into what Prime Minister Narendra Modi had to say about that.
ही भारत दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस स्कीम चला रहा है और सबको एफोर्डेबल कॉस्ट पर दवाइयां उपलब्ध कराने के लिए स्पेशल सेंटर्स भी बनाए गए हैं। भारत ने सर्वाइकल कैंसर के लिए अपनी वैक्सीन भी बनाई है और एआई की मदद से नए ट्रीटमेंट प्रोटोकॉल भी शुरू किए जा रहे हैं। एक्सेलेंसी, भारत अपना एक्सपीरियंस और एक्सपर्टाइज शेयर करने के लिए तैयार है। आज कैंसर केयर में काम करने वाले भारत के कई एक्सपर्ट्स इस इवेंट्स में हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं।
We have my colleague Mehndi Garg with us. Mehndi, what can you tell that now Prime Minister Narendra Modi has pledged $7.5 million to Quad Cancer Moonshot, that this has taken place at the Cancer Moonshot event?
Well, yes, Reed, big announcements have been made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his US visit because he has announced a US dollar 7.5 million support package for the sampling kits, detection kits, and also the vaccines to assist nations in combating cervical cancer. And as you also said, that this announcement was made during the Quad Cancer Moonshot event that was hosted by the US President Joe Biden. And Reed, while addressing the summit, Prime Minister Modi has also shared the India's expertise and the India's experience on this also, and he has said that today many experts from India are working in cancer to combat this cervical cancer that is a very big issue in India right now, also under the vision of One Earth and One Health. And also he has announced the support of sampling kits, detection kits, and also the vaccines. And also Reed, the PM Modi has also highlighted India's initiatives to fight cervical cancer, stressing the importance of an integrated approach to prevention, screening, diagnosis, and treatment, and to reduce the cancer burden also. And Reed, we all heard the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's words right now, and also he has announced that India will cooperate in radiotherapy treatments also and capacity building also, contributing around 40 million vaccine doses for Indo-Pacific countries under Gavi and Quad initiatives. And this all was announced in the Cancer Moonshot summit that was arranged in the White House, and the initiative that aimed at revitalizing the leadership in the fight against cancer. And he has also thanked President Biden for organizing such an event which reflects, the shared determination to provide affordable, accessible, and also the quality healthcare. And most importantly, Reed, not only this, the Prime Minister Modi has also specifically underlined that India has developed its own vaccine for cervical cancer and is introducing new treatment protocols with the help of artificial intelligence. And he also emphasized that the country is running the world's largest healthcare as of now, and the insurance schemes also, and has established special centers to make medicine available at affordable costs also. And he mentioned that
all right, Mehndi. All right, Mehndi. Thank you for staying with us. That was the breaking news that was coming at this point of time. We'll slip into a short break. That's a wrap for the bulletin.